Not every home, not every deal in RVA is exactly as it seems. There are a few things you want to look out for, and I'm here to help. My name is Cindy Bennett. I'm an associate broker with Maison Real Estate Boutique here in the Richmond area. I work not only in the city of Richmond, but all of the surrounding counties. And while this is something that can happen a lot in the city itself, it can happen in other places as well. Here are a couple of things that you want to look for, be prepared for, and know what questions to ask so you don't fall into a money pit when you are buying a home. One of the biggest things that I love about the Richmond area are our historic homes, all of the architectural details, all of the charm and character that you get not only in an older home, but an older community that has been around for a long time. It just gives you a different feeling than buying something that's brand new, maybe clear cut, no trees, everything is just characterless. But one of the things that you want to pay attention to and think about as you're looking for a home is if it was renovated. A lot of people now like that Pinterest worthy, are we still using Pinterest? The Instagram worthy home where you've got new kitchen, new baths, everything looks new and shiny, but you still retain that character of the older home. You're in the older community, maybe you've got walkability that you love. Think about the fact that a lot of these homes for investors to buy them had to have been at a price where it made sense for the investor to come in, do the renovations, do the updates, and still make a profit in the economy that we're living in. So make sure that they did not cut corners as they were going through that process. Just because it has a beautiful kitchen, just because it has a beautiful bathroom, doesn't mean that they necessarily updated the plumbing, the electrical, the roof, the actual structure of the home, the foundational supports, and everything that you don't necessarily see with your naked eye when you walk in. So one of the biggest things I see are especially first-time buyers, but again, it can go across the board. You get dazzled by the kitchen, the baths, the finishes, the lighting, everything. It looks like $1 million, but maybe that flipper just went in and only did that. So make sure that you're asking good questions. Make sure that you've got your team in place to ask the questions that you may not even know to ask, and make sure that you get an inspection that shows what you can't see or what you don't know about. Because trust me, I have definitely sold these homes before, and we will have multiple re-inspections because the repairs weren't done initially, they weren't done right, or they weren't done as time went on, and we've had to go back and double check, Anything can be fixed. It's just a matter of who's gonna fix it, how they're gonna fix it, and who pays for it. And you probably don't want that to be you. So give me a call if I can help. I would love to help you find your dream home, whatever price range, whatever area, and get you where you want to be.